Welcome to this guide on understanding your digital workspace, where your desktop environment shapes how you interact with your computer. In this session, we'll cover the core concepts and practical applications that make everyday tasks smoother and show how mastering these fundamentals can boost your productivity and help you work more confidently in any desktop setting. So what exactly is a desktop environment? Think of it as the graphical layer that sits on top of the operating system and lets you interact using icons, windows, and menus instead of text commands. The desktop environment is distinct from the OS kernel, acting as an intuitive bridge that presents files, apps, and controls in a human-friendly way. Desktop environments didn't appear overnight. They evolved from the early command line era into the graphical GUIs we use today. The shift to WIMP interfaces, windows, icons, menus, and pointers made computers more approachable, and later, mainstream platforms popularized those ideas, so modern desktops could focus on efficiency, personalization, and ease of use. There are many desktop environments to choose from, each with its strengths. Windows is widely used and known for broad software compatibility. macOS emphasizes a polished, unified design and ecosystem, and Linux offers diverse, highly customizable environments like GNOME and KDE that appeal to power users who want flexibility and control. The desktop canvas is where personalization meets functionality, with your wallpaper, icons, and layout shaping both aesthetics and workflow. Wallpapers set a visual tone, while icons and shortcuts provide quick access to apps and files. So thoughtful customization here helps you navigate efficiently and makes your workspace feel comfortable and productive. Taskbars, docks, and panels are the navigation backbone of any desktop, providing quick launch points, seamless task switching, and a system tray for background utilities. Different operating systems implement these components in their own way, but the goal is the same. Keep frequently used apps and system status within easy reach to streamline your daily work. Start menus and application launchers act as a unified gateway to your programs, settings, and power options. Modern launchers pair fast, intelligent search with personalized recommendations, so you can find files or apps instantly, access system controls quickly, and keep your workflow moving without hunting through folders or settings screens. Window management covers the basics, like opening and closing apps, minimizing and maximizing, and precisely arranging windows. But it also includes efficiency skills. Use snapping and tiling to organize multiple apps, create virtual desktops to separate tasks, and learn quick switching techniques to move between workspaces for smoother multitasking. File managers are the heart of organizing and navigating digital assets, letting you browse local drives, connect to network or cloud storage, and perform basic operations like copy, move, and delete. By using sorting, filters, tags, and search tools effectively, you can quickly locate content and keep your file structure clean and accessible. The system tray and notification center act as the hub for background utilities and alerts, giving you quick access to running services, connectivity, and sound controls, while consolidating messages and system prompts. Treat the tray as a real-time snapshot of system status, and use the notification center to manage timely alerts without disrupting your workflow. Customizing desktop appearance lets you balance style and readability by selecting themes, color schemes, accent colors, fonts, and display scaling. Small adjustments to fonts and scaling improve clarity on different screens, while theme and color choices help highlight important elements, making the interface both attractive and easier to use for long periods. Personalized layout options let you arrange icons and widgets to match how you work, and you can customize the taskbar or dock position, size, and behavior to reduce friction. Pin frequently used apps for instant access, add widgets to surface key information, and create a clean layout that supports focus and efficiency throughout the day. Sound and input settings are often overlooked, but vital. Adjust system volume and output devices, personalize notification sounds, and configure keyboard layouts for your language. fine-tune mouse sensitivity, touchpad gestures, and scroll behaviors. And if you use controllers or specialized peripherals, optimize their settings so input feels natural and responsive across tasks. Shortcuts are one of the fastest ways to boost productivity. So learn system-level and application-specific key combinations and consider custom hotkeys for repetitive tasks. Shortcuts let you switch windows, navigate tabs, and execute multi-step actions quickly. And combining them with small automations can deliver significant time savings in routine workflows. Managing application installations securely means using app stores or trusted package managers when possible, and being cautious with direct downloads. For uninstallation, remove main program files and related data, use system or third-party tools for thorough cleanup, and perform regular maintenance to free storage space and keep performance optimal. The file system hierarchy provides a tree-like foundation for organizing data, with a root directory branching into user profiles, program files, and system files. Common folders such as documents, downloads, pictures, and desktop help keep things systematic, and understanding this structure makes it easier to manage apps, back up important data, and find files quickly. Effective file and folder organization relies on consistent naming conventions, clear folder hierarchies, and avoiding redundant folders. Use tags or color labels for fast filtering. Add favorites or shortcuts to frequently used locations, and regularly review your structure so it stays lean and intuitive, which saves time whenever you search for important documents. Search and discovery tools let you quickly find files, apps, and settings using keywords, file types, and dates. Many systems also use indexing to speed up results. Learn Boolean operators and advanced filters to refine searches, and familiarize yourself with platform-specific features so you can retrieve information accurately and save valuable time each day. Using multiple monitors effectively means choosing the right display mode, whether extending your desktop for extra workspace or duplicating screens for presentations. Arrange windows with smart dragging and snapping, place primary tasks on your main display to minimize distractions, and consider combining virtual desktops with multi-monitor setups for organized, high-productivity workflows. Virtual desktops separate different tasks into independent workspaces, reducing clutter and helping you focus on one project at a time. They're easy to switch between and widely supported across operating systems. So use them to group related apps, streamline multitasking, and create a flexible organization that matches how you work throughout the day. Security and privacy settings are essential to protect your desktop environment. Lock your screen when away. Set up distinct user accounts and permissions. Fine-tune system access for apps, and control sensitive features like camera and microphone usage. Regularly review which third-party apps have access to personal data and revoke permissions that aren't needed. To optimize performance, manage startup programs to avoid unnecessary boot time apps, and periodically review the startup list to free system resources. Keep your desktop tidy by removing redundant icons and organizing downloads, since a cleaner workspace often reduces system load and helps your machine run more smoothly and responsively. Let's quickly review the key takeaways. The desktop environment is the graphical interface for interacting with your OS. Core components like the desktop, taskbar, and file manager shape usability, and personalized settings can greatly improve your efficiency. Understanding these areas empowers you to organize apps and files and optimize workflows with advanced features like virtual desktops. For deeper learning, consult official OS documentation and authoritative tutorials. Participate in forums and technical communities for hands-on tips, and follow professional blogs and video courses to stay updated. Be bold in experimenting with different settings, and continuously refine your personal workflow to improve work efficiency over time. In summary, the desktop environment is the core graphical platform for interacting with your computer, offering rich customization and control. Practice the techniques we covered, explore personalized settings, and make small, consistent improvements to realize the full potential of your digital workspace and boost your daily productivity.